Hi, I'm Matt Chapleski. I'm the service manager with Russ Darrow Mazda of Greenfield. Talking to you today about summer maintenance for your vehicle. Some of the things to really look out for the summer heat is going to be your air filter and your cabin filter. Your air filter is going to help and keep your gas mileage up. Your cabin filter is going to be just like the filter that you have in your house for your furnace. So it's going to filter out all the particles that you're going to be breathing in. Some of the other things to talk about would be your tires, your tire pressure, making sure that everything is inflated to the proper levels, doing oil changes, making sure that everything is good there, and that way you can go on your summer road trips. Looking at your AC system as well, making sure that that's operating correctly and it has the right temperature for you, that way you're not feeling that summer heat. Also your cooling system, making sure that your engine doesn't overheat or any other issues that could happen if your cooling system is not up to par. Again, come on over and see us at Russ Darrow Mazda of Greenfield and talk with any one of my advisors over there. They can definitely help out with your summer maintenance.